This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pollen filter renewal. Release the two fasteners and remove the trim panel above the passenger side footwell. Rotate the locking catch and lower the fuse box, then unhook it from the mounting bracket on the bulkhead. Lower and move the fuse box to one side. There is no need to disconnect any wires. Undo the retaining screw for the pollen cover filter. Note that some models may have 4 screws. Remove the cover and then withdraw the pollen filter from the housing. It will need to be distorted slightly to clear the housing and the fuse box. Fit the new filter, ensuring that it is fitted with the airflow arrows pointing straight back into the cabin. Refit the cover and tighten the screw to secure it in position. Move the fuse box back into position and secure it with the clip. Then refit the trim panel and secure it with the 2 fasteners.